Court isn't like what you see on TV. Here's what to expect in Boone County. So if you watch TV, maybe Law & Order, they start with the arraignment after an arrest is made, and it happens almost immediately after the arrest is made. In front of a grand courtroom, a judge banging the gavel, there's chaos everywhere. That's not what you can expect in Boone County. When you get to Boone County, you'll walk in, you'll go through security, and then depending on which courtroom you're in, you'll either go up and to the left on the first floor, or you'll go up a couple flights of stairs towards circuit court or some of the other courts upstairs. When you go into court, there's only going to be a few cases set during each hearing setting, and it's not going to be a full gallery full of citizens who want to see what's going on. It just isn't like that. So your case will be called up individually. You'll go before the judge we're still talking about your initial hearing, and the judge will go over the charges you're facing and the possible penalties. They'll give you future court dates, get you on your way. If you haven't had a bond set already, they'll likely set a bond as well. You'll go out of court, you can walk right out. Sometimes you check in with probation or something like that before leaving. But it is nothing like the dramatics you see on TV. The court days will be spaced out every month or two, something like that, and we'll try to work it around your calendar. It's not all going to get wrapped up in a week or two, again, like you see on TV. That's just not realistic. Whenever we send you a court date, or when the court sends you a court date, make sure you double check with us that you actually need to appear that day. In Boone County, oftentimes we can handle your hearing without you, and I hate for someone to take off work or plan for a ride to the courthouse when it's something that could be avoided. But when you do have to be at the courthouse, we ask that you get there 15 minutes early. This just makes sure that you're not running late. Judge likes to do, sometimes for change of pleas or things like that, everything with the whole courtroom at the same time. So if you're late, then he has to wait for the whole courtroom, and you're already off to a bad start. So we try to avoid that. That also gives us a kind of a chance to chat and discuss what to expect for that upcoming hearing. Usually it's a pretty quick in and out process, and we will walk you through exactly what to expect. We'll be there with you the whole time, because that's a question we get a lot. Will my attorney be at this court date? Yes. If we have been hired on your case, we will be in court with you. There are no exceptions. What if you can't make a court date? If you can't make a court date, it's important to let us know as soon as possible. Court knows things come up. They want you working and being a productive member of society. So if you can't make it for whatever reason, let us know with plenty of notice, and we should be able to get that moved. For the days you are in court, it is so important to only speak through us. If you have something you want the judge to know, let us know. We can let the judge know. I never want someone to speak because everything's being recorded and it's being held on the record. So we don't want you to talk unless you're being asked a direct question. It's important to remember you will never talk yourself out of trouble in a courtroom. Everything is being recorded and everything can be used against you. So that's one of the reasons it's so important that we're there with you for each court date. We also get a question a lot of, what should I wear to court? One thing judges don't like is shorts. Another, wearing hats. Avoid those things. You'll probably be fine. Business casual is the best way to go. I usually tell the men, wear long pants. Khakis are great. Even jeans are fine. A polo is perfect. For women, I don't know women's fashion, but something similar in the business casual range and you will be fine in court. Again, as long as you're not showing too much skin, wearing a hat, or wearing shorts, you will be just fine. You may also be surprised what other people are wearing in court. If you have any other questions about what to expect leading up to your Boone County court date, give us a call and we'll talk through it all. 317-632-3642. Remember, always plead the fifth.